here. It is every 5 freaking seconds. It is not a dire emergency for y'all to open the baby gate and come out here and bother me while I'm in the kitchen cooking. Y'all were told to go pick up the crayons. Please, just do that. Jesus, it's like pulling teeth. Oh, fuck! I don't even know anymore. Probably. Maybe. And at this point, I don't care. That never ever happens. I could be alone and they still gonna come to me when there's a whole able fucking person here. Able-bodied person who can do it. They come to me. I don't know, but you better get it picked up before he does come home. Stress me out. Ooh, the shakes are hitting.